Alright, I guess put my foot on them, right? There we go. Man, this thing is balling here. I'm gonna have to pull it out and give y'all a little tour. What is up, guys? It's King Rancher 13, and we are going deer hunting this morning. But we got a pretty exciting video for you. Finally, after working with the dealership on the new truck, as you've seen in the past video, or unless you haven't seen it, please go back and look at it. But anyways, we're gonna get some deer hunting in this morning before the truck gets delivered to us. So it's been long waited, but figure this would be something I'd just shoot real quick. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and comment down below and let me know if y'all killed any deer this year or any ducks. All right, let's get rolling. Ooh, it is muddy. Alright, well, it's 7 o'clock and we still haven't seen anything at all, so this hunt might be a bust because I haven't been out here in over a week. I don't think there's any corn out there either. Or what we hunt is plantation pines, and we've got a cut here that I've killed 2 deer off of already this year, but how we bait is by using corn. And I've got a camera out there, but my camera hasn't been working this past week, so I probably need to have the batteries replaced. But yeah, it might be a bust, but it's about 7 o'clock, so we'll probably stay out here for another hour and a half, and then we'll go head back and get that trade in. Go get the Denali that we're going to be trading in. Or I guess we already traded because we've already done the paperwork and everything, so yeah, I guess if we kill something, I'll keep you on. I guess if we kill something, I guess we'll keep you on the loop. Alright, we're out of this popsicle stand.
That was a huge bird.
That was an owl.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Gonna put some corn in them. Nice. so didn't see nothing this morning. Put some corn out finally. Hopefully that camera will start sending pictures. We're gonna head back. We're gonna go get breakfast. No. Okay, we're going home and then gonna go trade out the trucks. All right, let's go. All right, letting the wife drive. It's like 30 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold.
Alright, go ahead. Hit the speed. There you go. Nice. How about a little cold start, babe? Oh yeah, we got us a little gunner kennel. Okay, so we changed our mind. And we don't have anything in front of us, but at Mad Jack's. What are you getting?
I have no clue, actually.
Oh, that's the dinner and lunch side. Okay, there we go. Okay, I will say the Western omelet's pretty good.
The
Biscuits.
Western omelet? Where do you see omelet? Oh.
On the right hand side. Yeah, the Western. They get the 2 egg. Always get hash browns on the side.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty, so it's a pretty crazy morning. Okay, so got back from breakfast, had to take care of some calls and getting some orders out, etc. I am driving the King Ranch and heading to meet the sales lady that is bringing my truck to us from the dealership. My wife, she just took a shower, so she's getting dressed and then she's gonna bring the truck to trade in over there because I'm having to drive this one with the trailer because I've got to go help my papa with getting a pallet of corn, and I'm gonna go get his Honda Pioneer as well. He just asked me to run it out there for him, so a lot of running around and things like that today. Hope y'all are enjoying your day. We'll see what all we get done today. It's pretty hectic. Oh, also got some pretty big news coming up too, so all right, stay tuned for that, guys.
Why am I having a hard time finding this place?
Right behind the Columbia
see
sign?
that? I'm right beside that.
Okay, I'm actually at the stoplight right here in front of it. Here, I'm about to turn in. You see me?
I see you.
Alright, sounds good. I'll be in this parking lot right here.
Alrighty.
Alright, yes ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, y'all, there she is. Alrighty. Yeah, they were our favorite tires. Yeah. Did it drive good?
Yes.
It did? Okay, good. Sorry, my wife, she was driving the other truck, so she's on her way here right now.
Me, I'm still a Toyo girl.
Okay, hey, there's nothing wrong with that. I sell a lot of those still.
The MTs, you can get so many miles out of them.
Yes, you can. Like a little truck meet or something. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Well, here's a new truck. Oh. Yeah.
Hi.
So this is our new truck, and I don't know. We'll see. Maybe she'll drive it.
Maybe.
Okay, you want to drive that home?
Yes.
Because I gotta go get corn still. Okay. Well, there's a dog that just showed up, and it's way all the way over there somewhere. Oh, there's my wife running down the street to go get it. My wife is an animal lover and will rescue any animal there is. Yep, that's just her. And I think the lady at the dealership's gonna take her home. Alright, well. Oh! Need to swap out the hitch on this truck to the new one. Pull up. Let's see. There we go. This should be good.
Hey, honey.
Yes.
Hey, baby.
Yes. What's that? Aw.
Buddy needs a friend, hun.
No. Nope. Nope, sorry.
That is one hitch.
It is, isn't it?
I have never quite seen one that massive.
It works really well.
Yes, you were almost road pizza. Yes, and Miss Summer saved you out there.
Alrighty.
Oh yeah, he'll get a home in no time. You don't want him?
No, I have 4 dogs.
You have 2 minutes.
Alrighty, we are done with that interaction now, and now wife's gonna drive that over. We'll get going with our day. I've got a lot of stuff I gotta get done. Alright, drop. Alright, appreciate it, man. Thank you. So this is my Papa's new side-by-side. It's a Pioneer 1000. He told me not to scratch it. How do these doors work? Oh, there's a little, okay. Okay, make sure that does not touch. Gosh, this thing is brand spanking new. Alright, I guess I put my foot on them, right? There we go. Man, this thing is balling here. I'm gonna have to pull it out and give y'all a little tour. Make sure I don't hit that post. Oh, this thing is smooth. Put it on low. It's got different modes on it. Man, this thing is nice. Good grief. Alright, so load her up in here. One second. Oh my gosh, look at this. Stick stoppers. Pioneer 1000. That thing is smooth. Let's see. So it's got space in the back. Those seats flip up. And there's a little mesh all the way around. I guess I'm going to strap this in for the ride. Alright, there we go.
Honda too, it'll last forever.
Full windshield. Got the light bar, got the winch. Is this? Yeah, that's plexi. Alright. It's all loaded down. Looks pretty good. As far as weight distribution, I got more weight on the front with corn. Gen Y doing its thing. Power Stroke King Ranch doing its thing. Let's ride.